everyone, welcome back to Everyday English Talks. I'm Mila.
And I'm Ethan. We are so excited today because we're going to talk about something that everyone struggles with at some point, speaking English confidently.
Oh, yes, it's one of the most common problems. People understand English, they can watch Netflix shows, listen to music, even read books. But when it comes to speaking, their mouth feels frozen.
Haha, yeah, like your brain is saying, I got this, but your tongue is like, nah, not today, buddy.
Exactly, and that's why today we're going to show you how to train both your brain and your mouth to speak English naturally.
Because speaking isn't just about memorizing words, it's about muscle memory, rhythm, and confidence.
So first, let's talk about the mouth workout. Your mouth is basically a muscle, and just like your arms, it needs training.
Imagine this. You read a book about playing basketball. You know all the rules, all the techniques, but you've never actually touched a ball. Can you play a game? No way.
Same with English. You can know all the words, all the grammar, but your mouth hasn't practiced forming the sounds yet.
So, step 1, shadowing.
Shadowing? That sounds spooky.
Like a ninja following you around?
Not exactly, Ethan. Shadowing is when you listen to someone speak English and repeat immediately after them, almost like an echo.
Okay, so if I hear, good morning, how are you today? I repeat, good morning, how are you today? Right away.
Yes, and don't just say the words. Copy their tone, rhythm, and energy. Pretend you're acting in a movie scene.
Haha, so my kitchen is my Hollywood set?
Absolutely. And guess what? You can start with YouTube videos, podcasts, or even movies with English subtitles.
That sounds fun. I can imagine myself practicing, I will save the world in my superhero voice.
Perfect. And while shadowing is amazing, step 2 is repeat simple phrases daily.
Simple phrases? Like what?
Things like, I can do it. Let's go. I'm ready. Say them with feeling. Smile, frown, be dramatic.
Got it. I can do it. I am ready. Let's go.
Step 3, speak out loud even when you're alone.
Talk to myself? Isn't that weird?
Only if you're in public. At home, it's gold. Describe what you're doing. I am making coffee. The coffee smells amazing. I need sugar.
Or, I am Ethan. I am heroic. Mila is amazing.
Yes, and don't worry about mistakes. The goal is to make noise in English so your mouth gets used to forming words.
Okay, mouth trained. But Mila, what about the brain?
Step 4, think in English. Start small. When you see a glass of water, think water. When you're hungry, think I'm hungry.
So, no translating in my head? Straight to English?
Yes, and after a while, move to short phrases. I need to go to the store. It's a sunny day. Think in English instead of translating.
I like that. No more slow translation. My brain is tired of the extra step.
Exactly. Think of it as building a superhighway for your thoughts. The faster your brain thinks in English, the faster your mouth can speak.
That's a cool image. My brain is now driving a Ferrari in English.
Love it. Step 5 is all about immersion. English shouldn't just be a subject, it should be part of your daily life.
How? I'm not living in the USA.
That's okay. You can create your own English environment. Change your phone to English. Watch short videos, listen to podcasts, read news, even English memes.
Memes? Really?
Absolutely. They teach phrases, words, and culture, all while making you laugh. Learning should be fun.
I like fun. Sign me up.
Step 6. Consistency. Even 5 to 10 minutes every day is better than 2 hours once a week. Small daily practice builds habits, and habits build skills.
Just like going to the gym 5 minutes a day beats binge workouts once a month.
Exactly. Step 7. Celebrate your voice. Many people wait to speak until they're perfect.
But nobody is perfect, Mila.
Right. Your voice, your accent, your way of speaking is unique. Be proud of it. Your goal is clear communication, not sounding like a native speaker.
Okay, my unique accent is officially celebrated. This is my voice. I am speaking English.
Step 8. And this is powerful. Your brain follows your mouth. When you start speaking, your brain catches up.
Whoa, so by forcing my mouth to speak, my brain learns faster?
Exactly. Speaking actively is a powerful learning tool. Fluency comes from practice, not just listening or reading.
So even if I make mistakes, it's actually helping me learn?
Absolutely. Mistakes are proof that your brain is working.
Okay, I'm convinced. Let's do a quick interactive drill for our viewers.
Yes, repeat after us. I can do it. I am ready. Let's go.
I can do it. I am ready. Let's go.
Again, with feeling. Smile, Ethan.
I can do it. I am ready. Let's go.
Perfect. Your mouth is warming up, your brain is active, and your confidence is growing.
Okay, now let's try a mini story exercise. I'll describe my morning in English and viewers repeat with us.
Great. Go ahead.
I woke up at 7 a.m. I brushed my teeth. I made coffee. I fed my dog. I listened to music while cooking breakfast.
Now repeat with us, everyone.
I woke up at 7 a.m. I brushed my teeth. I made coffee. I fed my dog. I listened to music while cooking breakfast. See, just small sentences, but your mouth and brain are working together.
And it's fun. Step 9. Use English in daily activities. Narrate what you're doing. Cleaning, cooking, walking.
Like, I am washing the dishes. The water is hot. I am singing my favorite song.
Exactly. Make it a habit. Your brain will start connecting English with real life automatically.
Step 10. Interact with others even online. Chat with friends in English, comment on videos, join English-speaking communities.
And don't worry about mistakes. The goal is communication, not perfection.
Mila, do you think adding some humor helps? I mean, laughing while learning.
Totally. Humor reduces stress, makes learning memorable, and keeps your brain engaged. So don't be afraid to say funny things in English, even if it's silly.
Okay, like, my cat is plotting against me while I eat cereal.
Yes, funny, simple, and English practice at the same time.
All right, let's summarize our steps. Train your mouth. Shadowing, repeat phrases, speak out loud.
Brain follows your mouth. Think in English, start small, simple phrases.
Immersion, apps, videos, music, memes.
Consistency, daily small efforts.
Celebrate your voice. Accent is unique.
Brain follows your mouth. Speaking actively accelerates learning.
Daily narration and interaction. Describe life, chat with friends.
Add humor. Laugh, experiment, enjoy learning.
Yes, and remember, viewers, English is a language you live, not just study. Incorporate it into your daily life.
Now it's your turn. Leave a comment with one simple English phrase you will start practicing today. And don't forget to share this video with your friends who want to speak English confidently.
That's right. Remember, practice, consistency, and fun are your secret weapons.
Train your brain, train your mouth, and speak English with confidence. See you next time on Everyday English Talks.
Bye, everyone. Keep speaking, keep smiling, and keep having fun.